One solution that we have at our disposal is really supporting, coming together collectively to under the interconnection reform to really look at holistically how we can approach and streamline this process. And it's really not to finger point. Obviously, we've got developers on stage, we've got utilities, we've got ISOs in the room. It's not to finger point, it's to collectively come together as an industry to understand where we can accomplish and streamline the process.
We really need to see a breakthrough in AI. I mean, we had we're starting to see some application, for example, vegetation management that use satellite images to automatically make recommendation in terms of sending your crew here and there because there is a risk. So we start to see some of those applications using AI, but what we are going to see as we digitalize the grid, which we need to make sure that our grid is efficient, reliable, resilient, we are going to need to increase the amount of data that we use to measure, to control. And that's where that explosion of data is going to lead us to find ways to digest the data, to analyze the data, to make automatic, in real-time recommendations. So that's where AI comes in.
We need really expansive recruitment efforts to bring in more skilled workforce, at the engineering level and really throughout the industry. The amount of work is just going to be increasing. I know, DC, one of the big constraints on expansion of DC is just getting the engineers because each DC system is custom designed. So I think, throughout the industry, an effort to attract and retain a workforce will be a big undertaking.
Yeah.
Also need to diversify because obviously, we need project managers, we need the skilled workers, we need like an entire workforce to do this transition. So it's a strong educational campaign and giving the skill sets to the people. And I think also diversifying for where your pool of people are coming from, because there's an innovation going all over the place and we need to get it together so that there is a right path going forward that everybody's aligned.